Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to my channel Priyanka Edu Advisor. I am Priyanka Chauhan, MSc Botany Gold Medalist, having 11 years of teaching experience, and my aim on YouTube is to share my knowledge and motivate students and guide them how to excel in various exams. My videos are helpful for all the school students up to class 12th, NEET aspirants, BSc Botany and MSc Botany, and I will clear your concepts and fundamentals of biology. Now, MSc Botany Semester 1 syllabus and reference books videos, they are already uploaded on my channel. Today we will discuss MSc Botany Semester 2 syllabus and reference books. Now the first paper here is Ecology, Plant Ecology. First unit is Climate, Soil and Vegetation Patterns of the World, Life Zones, Major Biomes and Major Vegetation and Soil Types of the World. Environment, holistic environment, factors and their interactions, animals and man. Unit 2nd is vegetation organization, concepts of community and continuum, analysis of communities, analytical and synthetic characters, community coefficients, interspecific associations, ordination, concept of ecological niche. Next topic is vegetation development, temporal changes, cyclic and non-cyclic, mechanism of ecological succession, relay floristic and initial floristic composition, facilitation, tolerance and inhibition models, changes in ecosystem, properties during succession. Unit 3rd is ecosystem organization. The topics covered in this are structure and functions, primary production, methods of measurement, global pattern, controlling factors, energy dynamics, trophic organization, energy flow pathways, ecological efficiencies, litter fall and decomposition, mechanisms, substrate quality and climatic factors, concept of global biogeochemical cycles. Next topic is biological diversity, concept and levels, role of biodiversity in ecosystem, functions and stability. Speciation and extinction, IUCN categories of threat, distribution and global patterns, terrestrial biodiversity hotspots inventory. Next unit is Unit 4, air, water and soil pollution, kinds, sources, quality parameters, effects on plants and ecosystems, climate change, greenhouse gases, ozone layer and ozone hole, consequence of climate change, and carbon sequestration. Unit 5 is concept, resistance and resilience, ecological perturbations, natural and anthropogenic, and the impact on plants and ecosystems, ecology of plant invasion, environmental impact assessment, ecosystem restoration. Next topic is ecological management, concepts, sustainable development, sustainability indicators, role of International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources IUCN, World Wide Fund for Nature WWF, UNEP, UNESCO, IGBP, etc. These all are the organizations. So for this topic you will refer the book. The books for the suggested readings given here are, this book you will refer, Audum, Fundamentals of Ecology. This is the best book for ecology, Audum. And other books for the Indian writers you will refer, Ecology and Environment by P.D. Sharma. And after this you have to also refer one more book of environmental sciences. In that book you will get the other topics also. So now the next paper is about the practicals. We'll discuss separately in a separate video. Next paper is plant resource utilization and conservation. Plant resource utilization and conservation. Now for this paper you have to read the book. I'll tell you the name of the book. It is Plant Resource Utilization and Conservation by P.C. Trivedi and Niranjan Sharma. In this book, you will get all the topics of this paper: plant resource utilization and conservation. Again, I'll repeat the name of the book: Plant Resource Utilization and Conservation, P.C. Trivedi and Niranjan Sharma. Now the unit 1 is plant diversity. Concept, status in India, utilization and concerns, sustainable development, basic concepts, origin of agriculture, World Centers of Primary Diversity of Domesticated Plants, the Indo-Burmese Center, Plant Introduction and Secondary Centers. Unit 2, cultivation and uses, fodder, fiber, medicinal and vegetable yielding, oil yielding crops of Rajasthan, important firewood and timber yielding plants and non-wood forest products such as bamboos, rattans, raw materials for paper making, gums, dyes and fruits. Unit 3 is Green Revolution, benefits and adverse consequences, innovations for meeting world food demands, plants used as avenue trees for shade, pollution control and aesthetics, principles of conservation, environmental status of plants based on IUCN. Unit 4 is strategies for conservation, that is in situ conservation, international efforts and Indian initiatives, protected areas in India, sanctuaries, national parks, biosphere reserves, wetlands, mangroves and coral reefs, conservation of wild biodiversity.